Hey guys, it's Jeff from Magnolia Photography SC. I'm a wildlife photographer in Charleston, South Carolina. I am so excited to finally be announcing the winner of our DxO Photolab 8 giveaway. We were running this contest during the whole month of May, and I want to thank everyone who submitted their entry for a chance to win this program. But at the end of the day, we can only choose one winner. I would love to be able to give everyone a free copy, but that's just not how it works. So the winner is Shadow Tunes. I will be reaching out to you via email just to confirm your information and get you over your free copy of DxO Photolab 8. Congratulations to our winner. And again, thank you to everyone who entered. I hope you enjoyed this contest. Don't forget, for those of you who didn't win, you can always head down to the show notes where I have my special link with DxO, and you can use that link along with my discount code Magnolia to receive 15% off any of your purchases. Thanks again, guys. I really appreciate the support of the channel. I look forward to seeing you guys in some future giveaways. Until then, take care.